right, 2017 Leaf Plates and Proofs Hockey. And let's see what comes out of this break. Oh my, what is it going to be? Well, let's do some randoming. Someone's going to get a last name letter. If you're in the break, you're going to get a last name letter per spot. We're going to send it through the randomizer to find out who gets which letter in the break. 7 times through for the owners. 7 times through for the letters, and we'll have the two lists up here side by side. That's how you get matched up with your letter. Here's the lucky number 7, and the first random is now complete. Hit a big one. Well, one thing we know is there's going to be a 1 of 1 coming out of this break. That's what I like about this, is every single item is very rare and unique that comes out of here. It is nuts, man. All kinds of 1 of 1s. All right, here we go. 7 times. Good luck getting some of the best letters out of here. 5, 6. Lucky number 7. Let's see what we can get in our break as we line things up right now next to our owner list. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Played some Proofs hockey. All right, hit number 1 right there. You can see it's a Price. It's a Carey Price goalie gear. Nice. And that is David P. who pulls down this one. Way to go, David P. with a Carey Price plate.
Is that a Carey Price?
Yeah, goalie gear. Leaf Masked Men is what this one came out of originally. And that is good stuff. David P. hits that plate. Next up, next hit out of the break. 1 of 1 stick work. Oh, we got some stick work plate action. And this is a really nice one right there. Congratulations, Craig F. With a nice 1 of 1. Stick work. All right, here we go. Then very next hit number 3 out of the box. Got 2 players on it. Letter P and letter G. It's going to be in a random at the end of the break. Look at that original 6. That's going to be at a random at the end of the break. Look at this. Another 6 names. That's going to be at a random at the end of the break. Wow. And we have 3 names right here on this plate. Look at that. Oh, man. My, oh, my. think this is David P's hit. Letter D is David P. Letter H is Christopher H. Letter S is David P. So nice one right here, David P. This one is yours with 3 players on it. And the next hit coming out of our plates and proofs is going to go to letter M, and that is Christopher H's hit. 1617 Leaf Metal Hockey, Lords of Hockey. Pre-production proof, prismatic gold, 101. Boom. Christopher H. Nice hit. Next up in the rip, what do we have here? The final item out of the break, Toronto Centennial. Letter U. Toronto Centennial. One of one for Christopher H. Nice hit. All right, let's do some randoming for a couple of these other items. Congratulations, Chris, on some of the slabbed hits. And we'll start off with this one. 2 owners. David P. and letter G owner, Cynthia O. All right, 7 times 2 winners at the top of the list after 7. Five, 6, lucky number 7. Congratulations, David P. After 7 times 2, your name's on the top of the list, and you get to score this item. Congrats to you. In the rip, hitting a nice 101. With these 2 players. David P. Bill Gadsby. All right, next one that is getting ready to be randomed. We got several players on this one. Wow, David P. so close with the majority there. You own 3 out of the 6. And if you owned one more, you'd have been able to take this thing away without a random. But as it stands, it's still a chance for anybody to hit this thing out of these names here, out of these owner names. Good luck 7 times through. Winners at the top list after 7. I haven't seen any, Jake. I don't think that there is. 5, 6. Lucky number 7. Christopher H., congratulations. You're coming away a winner of this really, really cool item right here. Some of the best in the biz in 1987. And now we have this original Sticks 6 going back in the day. Got some legends on here from way back. Let's see who gets this item as we slap together this list of owners and send them through the randomizer and see whose name comes up on top. See, Cynthia O's got a stake in this thing. Good luck to you, Cynthia. All right, I believe this one is going to not go to random. I'm going to double check everything really good. Hey, Doc Holliday, good to see you. Looks like Christopher H. has got 4 out of the 6. Just going to double check that real quickly. 4 out of the 6. Ted Kennedy. Christopher H. Ted Linsday. Christopher H. Stan Mitka. Christopher H. Phil Esposito. Yeah, that's your 4. That's 4 of them. And congratulations, this one is yours, Christopher H. Original Stick 6. Printing plate. Nice going. Congrats. And that's our box break. Plates of Bruce.